Are there other terms of employment which an employer may consider including under a contract of employment? In addition to mandatory terms, an employer may consider including further terms of employment in the contract, whether for commercial or best practice reasons. The inclusion or otherwise of such terms can depend on matters such as the nature and seniority of the role and the sector or industry in which the employer operates. Examples include exclusive service. While employers cannot prohibit employees from taking up additional employment, they can restrict an employee in this context if the restriction is proportionate and based on objective grounds, such as health and safety, protection of business confidentiality, avoidance of conflicts of interest, or compliance with applicable statutory or regulatory obligations and professional standards. Other examples include a retirement age, company property. It is important that there are clear conditions in place regarding the use of company property and its return at the end of the employment relationship or during employment upon request. Confidentiality. It is advisable to include an express clause obliging the employee to keep company information confidential both during and after employment. Intellectual property. A comprehensive intellectual property clause will state, among other things, that all intellectual property invented or discovered by the employee during his employment is the property of the employer. Post-termination restrictions. While typically only included in more senior level contracts, some employers consider whether they wish to restrict former employees for a period following termination of employment in respect of matters such as working for a competitor or poaching other employees or customers. Employment contracts also will normally include a clause which states that an employee is required to comply with all workplace policies. If you need support in respect of employment contracts, please contact a member of the William Fry team. Thanks for watching.